my twin standing next to me just there. Look. Hello, it's Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in a complex called Los Diamantes. We're just across the road, in case you don't know, just across the road here from, this is Dinastia, and then we've got just up here Castle Harbour, so we're in that sort of area anyway. We're going to be looking at a 2-bedroom apartment with 1 bathroom, and got a nice large lounge and a nice kitchen, and as I say, this view across here from their balcony. So let's have a look around. So as we come into the apartment here, straight away on the right hand side we've got the bathroom. So we've got the washing machine in the bathroom, obviously toilet and hand basin and a shower in the bath. And then this is the first of the 2 bedrooms. So good sized bedroom, 2 single beds at the moment, and also a wardrobe there fitted in. So back out of this bedroom and then straight into the lounge. And again, nice light lounge, bit of light coming in through those doors there. Plenty of room, and then you've got a good kitchen over here, fitted kitchen, so don't forget the washing machines in the bathroom, and we've got a proper oven and a hob as well. So if you're going to stay here for long term, it means that you can actually cook here rather than going out every night or something. Microwave up here as well. So nice looking kitchen, and then through the lounge into the 2nd bedroom, and again good size, fitted wardrobes. We can go out onto the balcony here. Plenty of room here for 4 people. And then we've got the view there. It's a street view, but it's not particularly noisy. I mean, that's a car just gone past now. So I'm here with Colin from the office. So Colin, what can you tell us about the area where Los Diamantes is?
Okay, Los Diamantes is just up from the Paradise Park Hotel, probably about 1 kilometre, I would say, from the beach,
right,
and the town centre, so not far at all. Plenty to do in the immediate vicinity. We've got a supermarket on site here at Los Diamantes, right. Shakespeare's bar and English bar just a few doors down. There are numerous restaurants just literally within a couple of 100 metres. On the complex itself is a very nice pool,
right,
and a pool bar. So you know, you're not far away from the hustle and bustle of Los Cristianos, if that's what you want. But it is a nice, quiet little area where we are. So very nice complex indeed.
Okay, thanks a lot, Cole. Cheers.
Pleasure.
Bye. So that's our 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in Los Diamantes, Los Cristianos. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.